darkness. My old friend, we meet again. Welcome to Ukhrul, where power comes like rain in summer.
Once in a while,
Every week it's the same old game. Back to the Stone Age, baby. Light gone again, shocker, nah. I'm used to sitting in the dark like grandma's law. Light comes back, we all cheer. 5 minutes in, boom, gone my dear. Laptop cries, work gets wrecked, and the Wi-Fi died, what you expect? Street lights out, whole town black. Even the moon don't wanna come back. Call the line guy, he said soon. That soon been hanging since last monsoon. Big wires hang like jungle vines, but current inside, just silent signs. Street lights? Nah, we use the moon. Transformer blow, that's your default line. Blame the rain, blame the hill, blame the design. But you got fat checks while we count scars. Blaming natural faults while you ride in cars. Every MLA ghosting when the bulbs die, but post on Facebook with a suit and tie. Keep talking development, we see no light. Your promise is dimmer than Ukhrul at night. No shame, no grit, no real plan. You just photocopy lies and scams. Trying to run a district with a rubber band. You should be banned, not just reprimanded. Back to the Stone Age, nothing's changed. We lighting candles like it's arranged. No Netflix, no game, just dark. Ukhrul nights got that medieval spark. Stone Age flex, survival mode. Charge a phone in the shop down the road. No power, no care from above, but we still shine pure blackout love. Candles, matches, dark like truth and speeches. Ukhrul power, extinct like dinosaurs. Lights gone again. Ukhrul, baby, where candles works harder than the government. Ukhrul bright in spirit, dark in socket. Transformer blow, that's your default line. Even the moon don't wanna come back. Call the line guy, he said soon. That soon been hanging since last monsoon. Big wires hang like jungle vines, but current inside, just silent signs. Street lights? Nah, we use the moon.